All right, y'all, I'm gonna do the best I can with the video to how to remove these fenders. So far I got all these out and the fuel cap. These are different sizes. Right here they're smaller in length, so you can see I got the whole assembly off, and you got one in the back there. So, and then you got three for the surround. I don't see any more in here, so if I see any more I will let y'all know. And I gotta figure to get this cap off, so that's next. Okay, in the back, you see the bar in there. Turn the light on. Well, yep, all right, bar in there. That's 10 millimeter. So you're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. 4 10 millimeters. And they're gonna look like this. So anyway. Okay, and you have two long ones on the back bottom down there. If you can see them. Let's see. They're down there on the bottom. They're too long. And they're 10 millimeter, but the 4 I told you, 2 of them are facing me and 2 of them are facing the other way. So keep that in mind. All right, and y'all know how to take your side light out, huh? If you don't have the side light, these are the screws for them. Kind of weird looking one. 11 millimeter. So, all right, on to this next step, which is going to be the fender well inside liner. So I'm gonna get down there and do that.